Not all YouTube views are created equal. A channel getting 100,000 views in one niche might make $300, but a different channel getting 100,000 views in a different niche could be making $3,000. The difference is RPM, which is how much you actually keep and how much you actually make per 1,000 views after YouTube takes their 45% cut. And that's basically why choosing a really good niche matters. Now, I personally run a bunch of different YouTube channels across a bunch of different niches. And in this video, I want to go over 10 different niches and go over exactly how much they're making per 1,000 views. And this is based on real data based off of my own personal experience, talking with tons of people throughout my communities who actually run channels in these niches. Now, real quick, before we get into the niches, what you need to understand about YouTube is that YouTube doesn't just have a clear cut, this niche makes this much per 1,000 views and this niche makes this much. It's not like that. It's based off of a bidding system of advertisers who bid on certain keywords and who put ads on specific videos in specific channels. We cannot control if an advertiser is going to put an ad on our videos or our channels, but what I've personally noticed is that over time, once you grow a really big channel, you'll see your ad rates go up, so your RPM can fluctuate a lot as your channel grows because advertisers will want to put ads on your channel specifically. But again, we can't control that. But the thing we can control is choosing a subject where advertisers want to put ads on those keywords. So if you look into who the top advertisers on YouTube are, it's companies like Apple. Now, what keywords is Apple going to be putting their ads on? It's going to be tech-related videos. Another one of the top advertisers is Expedia. They're going to be putting their ads on travel-related videos. So both of those niches are going to be higher than average when it comes to their RPM. And in this video, I'll break down what their RPMs are, as well as how much money a lot of the top niches on YouTube are making per 1,000 views, so that you can make an informed decision as to, hey, should I get into this niche or should I not? And I'll also talk about some of the nuances with this as well, if you can make money in other ways also. Because even though something might not have the perfect CPM or RPM, you might be able to sell something in that niche, but that's usually not the case. Because if you think about it, if an advertiser is going to pay a lot of money to put an ad on your channel, it would stand to reason that you could also sell something from that channel because they're putting the ad on that video because they're presumably planning on making that money back. So why don't you sell something from your channel as well? And that's how you can bump up your RPMs to be making over $100 per 1,000 views. And that's what I personally do on a lot of my different channels. So I just want to say, make sure to sell something from your channel, whether it's an affiliate product or something else. You can go on something like Google Gemini and ask it, find me affiliate products for my channel in this niche. And then you can do that. And that way you can actually be selling something from your channel. And I'm actually creating a platform called Moon where people can make their own digital products and sell them from their channels, where they can make their own Moon, which is basically their own corner of the internet that they own, where they can sell digital products and AI versions of themselves and everything else. And that's how you can make over $100 per 1,000 views. So now let's get into the niches, starting with niche number one, which is personal finance and investing. Now, what I personally have seen from running channels in this niche and talking with a lot of people with channels within this niche is that this niche can make anywhere from $12 to $25 per 1,000 views. And this is because a lot of investment platforms advertise on YouTube, as well as trading courses, financial services, as well as Bitcoin ads and everything else. They're going to be putting their ads on financial related videos. Even myself, I sell a program on how to grow on YouTube and make YouTube into a business. I'm going to be putting my ads on keywords related to financial subjects, anything related to money and making money and growing a business. So I'm contributing to that RPM. Now, channels like Chris Invests are a great example of a completely faceless channel within this niche that's doing incredibly well. He makes super simple whiteboard videos. You could literally just use something like VideoScribe to do that. And also the audience within this niche skews older, and older people tend to have disposable income, which is what advertisers want. And so I've actually thought it might be a really good idea to run a channel targeted towards older people in finances. That could be huge. And feel free to steal that idea. Plus, you can sell things yourself within this niche. You're not just limited to the RPM, obviously. You should be selling something if you're within this niche. I would actually highly recommend that you either are an affiliate for different investment platforms if you're doing like an investment channel, for example. And something I want to note as well is that the RPMs can start lower within these niches and then get bigger over time because, as we mentioned, advertisers will put ads on your videos. That's why the range is so big. Don't expect to be making $25 per 1,000 views right off the jump when you get monetized, but it can advance to that amount. Now, niche number two is technology and AI tutorials. AI content is absolutely crushing it right now. New tools are launching all the time. There's always some news happening related to AI, and there's millions of people out there searching on YouTube trying to figure out how to use them. And so the RPM for this niche is anywhere from $5 to $15 per 1,000 views. Now, if you talk about AI in the context of, for example, making money, that is going to be a higher RPM. Just make sure not to promise any specific dollar amounts or anything about how much people could potentially make, because YouTube has been cracking down on channels that post videos like easy way to make $500 a day. And I've had some problems with my own channel where I had to delete a bunch of videos and everything, so don't fall into that trap. But you can give tutorials, you can talk about the latest AI news, and the real money when it comes to this niche, if you're going to do it though, would be affiliate commissions, because you could literally be an affiliate for every single AI tool that you talk about. And a lot of them can pay 30 to 50% recurring commissions for life. For example, I have an AI tool called Tube Magic that writes God tier YouTube scripts, and we give a 50% recurring commission for life for people who do that. And multiple people make full-time incomes literally just off of promoting that tool. I've got another tool called vid.ai, and we give 30% commissions for life. And the cool thing about this niche is that the videos are pretty easy to make. You can just do super simple screen recordings, no fancy editing required, and these videos can do super well. Now, the third niche we're going to be talking about is business documentaries. And this is going to hover around $5 per 1,000 views. But you might be thinking, okay, Matt, but it's in the business niche. Wouldn't businesses want to be putting ads on these types of videos? And while that is true, the audience that this attracts are mostly people who are into entertainment style videos and not necessarily looking to solve a problem within their own life. Now, if you're doing more so of a business story channel, that is about how the businesses have succeeded and the things that you can take away from the business and giving actual business advice to people, then you can make a lot more. Then it could be $10, $15, $20 per 1,000 views, depending on the keywords that you use. However, for the majority of people, if you're just talking about it in an entertainment aspect, like most of the big channels like Magnets Media, for example, do, then it's going to be a lot less. Now, niche number 4 is health and fitness. And channels like Natural Cures, Body Hub, and Yellow Dude are great examples of channels within this niche that are doing incredibly well. And channels within this niche, from what I've seen, can make around $8 to $12 per 1,000 views. And that's really good. And I don't know if you're seeing the pattern here, but essentially, niches where people have problems that they want to desperately solve, whether it's related to health, wealth, happiness, finances, all of these subjects are things that people typically have problems in that they want to solve. And advertisers are going to target those people, driving the RPMs in this niche up. Now, niche number 5 is travel, and this niche can make anywhere from $8 to $15 per 1,000 views. And we talked about travel because huge companies like Expedia are some of the top advertisers on YouTube. And of course, this is going to vary a lot depending on your audience geography, because if you do US focused travel content, that's when you can hit $15 RPMs. But if you get mostly international audiences, that can bring it down closer to $5. The cool thing about this niche as well is that a lot of the content is evergreen, because if you do a top 10 places to visit in Japan type of video, that's something that can get views for years and years in the future. And there's also channels like Jet Set Genius, for example, that produce videos related to tips and tricks for air travel that do incredibly good. So you can do tutorial-based videos about how to travel on planes. There's also channels like Cruise Like a Pro that do cruise-related videos and all the tips and tricks for having the best cruise of your life. And there's probably not much competition in that niche. I personally haven't ran a channel in this cruise niche specifically, but if I were to guess, I would think that those would be very high RPMs because I have seen a lot of cruise ads on YouTube. And I don't think there's much competition, especially when it comes to educational cruise-based videos. Niche number 6 is relationships and dating. And health, wealth, and relationships are some of the biggest pillars in all of our lives. And relationships doesn't just have to be limited to dating either. It can also be related to business relationships you have. It can be related to interpersonal family relationships, friendships, and knowing the psychology of how to influence people. And channels like Briny Hart, for example, use super simple stick figure animations made entirely in Canva and pull millions of views. You could also easily sell a community on the side for this, or you could sell books and other things, and my upcoming platform Moon will be absolutely perfect for this. Now, niche number 7 is pets. Now, this is kind of a relationship type of channel as well, due to the fact that pets are a huge part of a lot of people's lives. I personally grew up with a lot of dogs and cats as well. And when I was teaching my dog tricks and I was raising him for the first time, I would always learn a ton by watching YouTube videos, and a lot of other people do this as well. So the pet niche can actually be incredibly huge because you can give amazing advice to other pet owners, and plus you're giving pets a better quality of life in doing so. And there's channels like Doggy Digs that do exactly this. They do fun fact videos as well as tutorial videos. And in the cat niche, you have channels like The Purring Journal, which do the exact same thing, but just for cats. And the RPM for this niche would be around $7 to $10 per 1,000 views. There are a lot of pet companies that advertise on these types of videos. Niche number 8 is scary stories. Now, scary stories is an example of a niche that can get millions upon millions of views, but it is an entertainment niche. You're not going to be selling something in this niche. And I know a lot of people who run scary story channels who've tried to do things like selling t-shirts and everything. It just does not work that well. The main money you're going to be making in this niche is going to be ad revenue. And while the RPM and the ad revenue is on the lower end for this one, it can be somewhat offset based on how many views that you can get within this niche. And the RPM that I've seen within this niche is $3 to $4 per 1,000 views. So again, a lot lower. I personally wouldn't recommend doing a channel in this niche unless it's something that you're just super passionate about and it's something that you love. Then by all means, feel free to do it. But just do it with the understanding that you're not going to be making as much per 1,000 views as a lot of the other niches that are out there. Now, one way you could increase the RPM within this niche significantly would be to create super long scary story videos. You could push it to $5, $10, even more dollars per 1,000 views if you're creating multiple hour-long scary story videos and putting a lot of ads throughout those videos. That's one instance where you can make a lot more from this, and that's just one tip that you can use. Niche number 9 is movies, and I'm not talking about re-uploading movies. You should not do that. That's how you get banned off of YouTube. In fact, it was in the news recently that a lot of AI channels that were producing AI-generated movie trailers of copyrighted characters recently got taken down off of YouTube, so don't do that. What I'm talking about is doing top 10 lists when it comes to movies, similar to channels like Looper or Watch Mojo, or even talking about the different celebrities from different movies. And the movie niche is pretty good. You can make around $11 per 1,000 views for the RPM from it. Again, this is a broad generalization. It's going to differ a lot depending on a lot of different factors. However, that's about how much you can make. You can't really sell something from this niche. So again, you're really just limited by the ad revenue. It's not the best niche in my personal opinion, but I just wanted to let you know how much you can make. And niche number 10 is meditation videos. This is a niche that trips a lot of people up because I see so many people doing it the wrong way, where they just find some meditation audio online and then they just re-upload it as their own video. That's not the way to do this. There's way too much competition, and that is not going to differentiate you from all the other channels out there, and it's not going to allow you to create new original content. If you're going to do this niche, I would highly recommend having a verbal voiceover, whether it's your own voice or an AI voice, giving a guided meditation. Now, if you're doing this and you're making 10, 20, 30-minute videos, the RPM for this is going to be around $5 to $10 per 1,000 views. However, this is an example of a niche where you might want to make super long videos, just like scary stories, that'll push the RPM past 10, 15, even more dollars per 1,000 views, like I've seen a lot of channels doing, especially channels making sleep-related content, because TV viewing is exploding right now and longer content can do incredibly well. And no matter which niche that you choose, I highly recommend focusing on long content where you can put a lot of ads throughout your video, which will drive your RPMs up. It'll keep people on YouTube, keep people on your channel, and stay in a niche ideally where you can sell something as well. In the meditation niche, for example, you could sell audio of meditations, and Moon will allow you to sell files like that. And now, to give you as much value as I can possibly give you, here are all of the different niches that I know, as well as how much money that they make per 1,000 views. I'm just going to scroll through this list. Feel free to pause it at any point to try to find your niche of whatever niche you happen to be in, and feel free to screenshot it. So that way you know exactly how much you can expect to make per 1,000 views. So I hope this was super helpful. Now, one thing I really want to say, if you get anything from this video, make sure to be in a niche where you can sell something. And if you are, make sure that you actually do sell something from your channel. Using something like Moon, make sure to sell something from your channel so you can make as much money as possible and make YouTube into a real business. I really just want to see you succeed on YouTube, and that's how you do it. And if you want my personal help with doing all of this, you can check out Tube Accelerator, my program, down at the link in the description, where you can book a call with my team and we can see if that's the right fit for you. And if you just want to get some more free value, feel free to check out this video next to me right here, which shows exactly how to start a faceless YouTube automation business the right way right now. Feel free to check it out. My name is Matt Parr. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.